Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 2nd of February 2021 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 1st and 2nd of February 2021. Our first question is the 5th joint meeting of India Japan Asia East Forum, that is AEF, has been recently held in dash. Answer is option number 3, New Delhi. The 5th joint meeting of India Japan ACT East Forum has been recently held in New Delhi. The meeting was co-chaired by Foreign Secretary Sri Harshvardhan Shringla and Suzuki Santoshi, Ambassador of Japan to India. And the AEF or India Japan ACT East Forum was established in 2017 to provide a platform for India Japan collaboration in the northeastern region under India's ACT East policy and Japan's vision for a free and open Indo-Pacific. Answer will be option number 3, New Delhi. Next question is, which of the following day has recently been celebrated as Indian Coast Guard Day? Answer is option number 1, 1st February. Indian Coast Guard or ICG is a maritime law enforcement and search and rescue agency that protects India's maritime interest and enforces its maritime law with jurisdiction over the territorial waters of India, including its contiguous zone and exclusive economic zone. The Indian Coast Guard was formally established on 1st of February 1977 by the Coast Guard Act 1978 of the Parliament of India. It operates under the Ministry of Defence, and as it was formed on 1st of February, every year 1st February is celebrated as Indian Coast Guard Day in India. Answer will be option number 3, 1st February. Next, the Indian government has signed a $500 million agreement with Dash for strengthening teaching, learning and result for states program, that is STARS program, to improve the quality of school education in India. Answer is option number 3, World Bank. The government of India and the World Bank has recently signed a $500 million agreement for strengthening teaching, learning and results for state program to improve the quality of school education in India. The program will be implemented in 6 Indian states including Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha and Rajasthan, and the program is expected to benefit around 250 million students in 1.5 million schools over 10 million teachers. Answer will be option number 3, World Bank. World Bank was formed on July 1944. Headquarters is in Washington DC. Currently president is David Malpass. Next question is, who among the following has been appointed as the new CEO of Ayushman Bharat scheme? Answer is option number 2, R.S. Sharma. R.S. Sharma was earlier the president of TRAI, that is Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, and recently he has been appointed as the new Chief Executive Officer of Ayushman Bharat scheme. Ayushman Bharat scheme is a flagship scheme of Government of India launched as recommended by the National Health Policy 2017 to achieve the vision of universal health coverage, and the initiative has been designed to meet sustainable development goals and its underlying commitment, which is to leave no one behind. It was launched in September 2018 by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Answer will be option number 2. Next question is, first dog park in South India will be established in dash. Answer is option number 4, Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab and Haryana, and first dog park in South India will be established in Chandigarh. Answer will be option number 4. Next question is, who has been recently appointed as the new president of Asian Cricket Council? Answer is option number 3, Jai Shah. Jai Shah is the secretary of BCCI, and recently he has been elected as the president of the Asian Cricket Council. Now he will replace Nazmul Hasan in the post, and he will be the youngest president of Asian Cricket Council. Asian Cricket Council is a cricket organization which was established in 1983 to promote and develop the sports of cricket in Asia. It was formed on 19th of September 1983 and headquarters is in Colombo, Sri Lanka. Now president will be Jai Shah. Answer will be option number 3. Next question is, which of the following state government has launched the agriculture pump power connection policy? Answer is option number 2, Maharashtra. The Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, has recently launched the Agriculture Pump Power Connection Policy, and this policy will facilitate immediate electricity connections for agriculture pumps. The government will provide relief in interest on electricity bill areas and relief in delayed charges. Answer will be option number 2, Maharashtra. Maharashtra, look at map. This is Maharashtra. It was formed on 1st of May 1960. Capital is Mumbai. Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshari. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. Its legislature has 288 plus 78 members. 48 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 19 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Maharashtra. It is the third largest state according to area and second largest by population in India. It borders with Goa, Karnataka, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Godavari and Krishna are the main rivers of Maharashtra, and Maharashtra is the third most urbanized state of India. Next, which of the following country has topped the medal tally at the first Asia Online Shooting Championship? Answer is option number 4, India. The first Asia Online Shooting Championship has been recently organized and hosted by the Kuwait Shooting Federation between January 29 to 30, and India has topped the medal tally at the first Asia Online Shooting Championship with a total of 11 medals, which includes 4 gold medals, 2 silver medals and 5 bronze medals. Answer will be option number 4, India. Now we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, name the person whose birth anniversary has recently been celebrated on 28th of January 2021. Answer is option number 1, Lala Lajpat Rai. Which of the following state has topped in the India Justice Report 2020? Answer is option number 1, Maharashtra. Which of the following state has celebrated its 71st Foundation Day on 25th of January 2021? Answer is option number 3, UP or Uttar Pradesh. MD and CEO of which of the following banks has been awarded with the Business Standard Banker of the Year for 2019-20 recently? Answer is option number 4, Federal Bank. How many applicants from across the country have been selected for Bal Shakti Puraskar 21? Answer is option number 1, 32. Who among the following has been awarded with Subhash Chandra Bose Apada Prabandhan Puraskar 2021? Answer is option number 4, Rajendra Kumar Bhandari. Which of the following day is celebrated as National Voters Day in India annually? Answer is option number 3, 25th January. Next question was, name the program under which India is providing COVID-19 vaccines made in the country to neighboring countries. Answer is Vaccine Maitri. Next question was, Chief Minister of which state has recently started dual delivery of rice and other commodities to ration card holders in the state? Answer is option number 1, Andhra Pradesh. And last question was, for the first time in India, the concept jail tourism has begun in dash. Answer is option number 3, Maharashtra. Now answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, who among the following has been awarded with DRDO's Scientist of the Year 2020? Answer is option number 3, Hemant Kumar Pandey. Recently, Hemant Kumar Pandey has been awarded with DRDO's Scientist of the Year 2020. Now today's question is, which of the following day is celebrated as Pravasi Bharatiya Divas annually in India? Options are 9th January, 10th January, 11th January and 12th January. If you know answer to the question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss the question in the next video.